Right, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. My name's Jay, welcome to the channel. So weather looks a little bit shit. I've just picked Will up, so I'm in the urban jungle here. But just picked Will up and we are just gonna have a mooch around somewhere, don't know where, because it's threatening rain. It's bloody freezing though, but I'm actually alright because I've got heater grips on and I've got the right attire on, so I'm all good. So I just need to get out of here and get on some decent roads. Fully fueled, well the bike is anyway. So I'm rocking the DJI Action 3 on the helmet, and I've got the DJI Action 2 on the dash. So I've gone back to the traditional 2 cameras for now. Probably change again next week. So I'm hoping that it's all looking good. See what happens. Can you hear me, Will?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
So looks like we might get a bit of rain on these tops here.
Yeah.
Has it put out for rain today then? It's put out a bit, hasn't it?
Yeah, like half an hour between 11 and 12.
Oh, okay.
They did say light rain.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
I know.
It begins.
It doesn't help being up in these hills, does it?
No.
I just hope it's not a washout today and it just pisses it down. Might be a bit sketchy on here, mate, as well with the weather. You're clear all the way up here, mate. Oh, you come in, yeah. I didn't think there'd be many bikes out today, but I've actually seen 4 up to now.
I bet they didn't expect it to rain a bit either.
I've got this annoying patch on my visor that's steaming up on the right hand side, and it feels like I've got cataracts on my eye. It's proper annoying.
Fucking hate that bit. Why can't they just fix a road properly instead of putting a line down the middle?
Yeah, just put a stupid line down the middle, raised tarmac in it. And then you just get forced over onto it.
Yeah. You just can't get off it once you're on it.
I know. That's the thing, because it's got that line, it pulls you in, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're just shit. I don't know why we pay as road tax.
kitchen light, we both look for a sign, and you say these are troubles of mine. Weary thoughts of breaking up, coming under your skin. Don't know if we should stop or begin.
Right then, Paul, we'll just go out here and then we'll take a left now.
Alright.
Right, I'm going anyway. Fuck you. That's slippy there. If you want to do a burnout, mate, now's the time.
Right.
Yeah. This is steamed up again because I've took the pin lock out now. It's steamed up straight away. It was all right first off, but So I have to crack my visor open a little bit, so it might be a bit windy in here.
Grindleford, sounds like something out of Harry Potter.
Yeah, taking left, mate. So we're just taking a left in a minute, mate. Just down here. So where that Merc is, mate, I'm just going to back it into there. That's where I normally go.
Right.
Then the people just decide to walk behind me. They've done exactly the same. It's like, why wouldn't you do it? What are you having, mate? Do you want a bacon butty or something? And a coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Hiya, you're right. Can I have 2 bacon butties, please?
2 bacon butties.
And 2 a tea and a coffee, please.
Tea or coffee?
Tea. You want some tea then, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did I say tea or coffee? I said tea.
I'm not bothered either way. Where are we going, inside or outside?
Sit inside if you want. It's a bit warmer, isn't it? Want to grab that? That one there. You ready, mate?
Yeah, I'll let you go first, because I have no idea where I'm going.
Yeah, I don't either.
Great.
I think we're going to get wet. Yeah, you definitely don't want to be going over Snake Pass in this, do you? Oh shit. I can't even... Oh shit. Jesus. Oh, it's all fun and games. And that's it, and by the power of editing, we are back in the garage nice and dry. We had to ditch the cameras because it was getting a bit extreme. So if you've enjoyed this one, guys, please consider that comment, share, like and subscribe, and also head over to my other channel, Crazy Legs Randoms, and again, comment, share, like, subscribe if you like the content on there and what you're seeing. There will be more videos coming out on that other channel. I do actually do those from this garage, and as you can see, it's a little bit of a mess. Need to get this, need to keep the wife happy and get this kitchen sorted out. So until next time, guys, remember, it doesn't matter what you ride, who you are, where you're from, every day is an adventure. Crazy out.